What's up guys, in this video today I'm going to show you the top 5 best battery terminal. The best battery terminal military style is the one that is most durable and can be used in a wide variety of applications. There are a lot of products available to choose to battery terminal, each with excellent characteristics, benefits, and prices to help you make an informed decision. I have done deep research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best battery terminal product from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Motopower Battery Terminal Connectors. Fed up of being let down by underwhelming LED terminals? We encourage you to spend just a little more money to end up with a product you can trust. Motopower's battery connectors, as functional as they are fantastic. Don't worry though, they're not as expensive as they look. These golden items are actually constructed of brass zinc alloy to facilitate optimal conductivity. The terminals can fit all 4 to 6 gauge wires, and rated for 500 amps continuous 800 surge at 12 volts. And if you're not already swooning, their quick release design is what makes them most irresistible. Simply attach the connectors to the battery terminals by clamping down and lift the caps to remove them from the battery terminals. Plus, although the clamping force is very low, the connectors grip firmly on the terminal posts in a tight, secure fashion. As reliable as they come, Motopower's product is a way to take back control of your terminals. Product features. Made of brass zinc alloy to encourage supreme conductivity. Compatible with 4 to 6 gauge wires. Number 2. Ampere Battery Terminal. It's time to show your automobile some love with a new set of battery terminals. The Ampere Military Spec Battery Terminal and Top Post Battery Terminal Set for marine car, boat, RV and vehicles. One pair is just what you need to give your car the extra boost it needs. These terminals are made of lead alloy for increased strength and reduced corrosion. The standard 3/83 diameter bolt is for lugs mounting, and the set includes a 5 163 diameter short bolt. Positive and negative are directly marked on the terminal. Each lead alloy terminal can hold multiple battery cable. The Ampere Military Spec Battery Terminal and Top Post Battery Terminal Set for marine car, boat, RV and vehicles. One pair is perfect for car, vehicle, RV and boat owners who have a standard top post battery, 19 mm tapering positive and 17 mm tapering negative. Product features. Military Spec lead alloy positive and negative standard top post connectors. Standard 3/83 diameter bolt for lugs mounting. Also includes 5 163 diameter short bolt. Number 3. Fastronix Battery Terminal. Are you fed up being let down by your current converter and are looking to switch it up a notch? Fastronix cater for customers who have a need for speed and have designed their high-quality battery terminal for this reason. This product is fantastic for handling multiple battery installations in the likes of race cars and RVs, essentially any vehicle in which having stable battery performance is crucial. Fastronix product will form a very tight connection to the battery due to the shrink tubing. These pieces are extremely thick, supple, and certainly worth the extra few bucks for factory quality results. And the company themselves proudly declare that their products are manufactured in the USA, excluding the copper lugs and heat shrink. After purchasing this style of terminal, you'll never consider going back to non-military battery terminals again. Product features. Manufactured in the USA. Terminals and covers form very tight connection to battery posts. Red and black military spec covers included. Includes 4 3/4 x 1/2 adhesive. Number 4. Cllena Battery Terminal. If you're looking for a military-style battery terminal conversion, Cllena versatile kit for cars, trucks, RVs, and boats alike will solve all your problems. It's got everything you could ever need to kit out your car. Positive and negative lead battery terminals, a 5/16 diameter short bolt and a 3/8 diameter bolt for mounting lugs, and 3/8 copper lugs. Just like other high-quality models, the diverse red and black military spec battery terminal covers won't only keep you right, they'll fend off potential rust and corrosion. Likewise, Cllena appreciates that nobody likes a tough installation job and so have included mounting hardware to make the process simple. Yet be warned, once you make the upgrade from the average battery terminal to these, you'll be buying them for good. They're too irresistible. Product features. Able to be used for battery extension, ground connection, and parallel connection. Made of durable lead alloy for superior conductivity and corrosion resistance. Red and black battery terminal. Number 5. Battery terminal connectors. When it comes to military spec battery terminals, there are 2 types. Positive and negative. Both types are made of sturdy lead antimony alloy, which is anti-rust and anti-corrosion. They also have excellent wear resistance, meaning they'll last longer. The main difference between positive and negative battery terminals is the lug size. Positive battery terminals have a 3/83 lug, while negative terminals have a 1/23 lug. This is to accommodate the different sizes of wire used in each type of connection. Both types of battery terminals come with durable red and black military-style battery terminal covers. These covers protect the terminals from corrosion and make them easy to identify. When choosing battery terminals for your military spec application, be sure to select the correct size and type for your needs. Product features. Military spec battery terminal positive and negative connectors for marine car boat RV vehicles. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoy the videos, please daily so to subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know the product price, do check out my description box. You can for any kind of problem, please comment below.